What's the meaning of bloodstock? Bloodstock. Bloodstock.
Bloodstock. Bloodstock. Bloodstock refers to a group of horses that are bred for racing and other equine sports. It generally refers to high-quality and pedigreed horses that have been carefully selected for their athletic abilities and bloodlines. These horses are often used for horse racing, show jumping, dressage, and other equestrian events. Bloodstock breeding is a specialized field that involves extensive research and breeding programs aimed at producing the best possible horses for various equine activities. The quality of the bloodstock is determined by factors such as pedigree, conformation, athleticism, and temperament. It is a highly competitive industry that relies on the expertise of breeders and trainers to produce top-performing horses.